Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change oil in a Ford Explorer. First, gather your essential tools and supplies. You will need a wrench, a new oil filter, and the correct type of new engine oil, typically 5 to 6 quarts. Don't forget a drain pan, a funnel, and safety glasses. Always consult your Ford Explorer's owner's manual to confirm the exact oil specifications and capacity for your specific model. Now, let's get that old oil out. Safely lift your Ford Explorer using a jack and secure it with sturdy jack stands. Never work under a vehicle supported only by a jack. Locate the oil drain plug, usually a bolt on the bottom of the oil pan. Place your drain pan directly beneath it, then carefully loosen and remove the plug. Allow all the old, dark oil to completely drain into the pan, which typically takes about 10 minutes. With the old oil drained, it's time for the new filter. Use an oil filter wrench to remove the old filter, being mindful of any residual oil. Before installing the new filter, apply a thin film of new oil to its rubber gasket. This ensures a good seal. Hand tighten the new filter until snug, then give it an additional 1/4 to 1/2 turn with the wrench. Finally, securely replace the drain plug. Almost done. Using a funnel, carefully pour the recommended amount of new engine oil into the oil fill cap opening. Start your Ford Explorer's engine and let it run for about 2 to 3 minutes to allow the new oil to circulate. Turn off the engine, wait a few minutes for the oil to settle, then check the dipstick. Ensure the oil level is between the add and full marks, adding more if necessary.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.